So how good is the support on Wealthy Affiliate? Because a lot of these big training platforms, these education platforms, once they get big, once they get popular, they kind of go easy and they don't really focus that much on serving their customers. Wealthy Affiliate is the exact opposite. In fact, if you go to Wealthy Affiliate on the help section, I think it's one of the best. The actual founders of the entire company of Wealthy Affiliate are constantly available and you can actually ask them questions directly, which is not something that's common. Like if you have a problem with Amazon, for example, you're not going to be able to contact Jeff Bezos directly. Obviously, Amazon's bigger. I'm not trying to compare it, but you get the idea. With Wealthy Affiliate, it really feels like the owners are still hands-on, they're involved, and you can actually directly reach out to people and get help within literally minutes. So extremely good support. If you want to try Wealthy Affiliate, they have a completely free plan and you can sign up using the link in the description. There's no credit card required. Now you might be wondering, how quickly does the Wealthy Affiliate support respond, especially the technical support? So click this video showing up on your screen and I'll answer that question.